There's the money shot. Beautiful. Alright, good morning. I just realized I forgot to end the video yesterday. I was such a rush to get in here and get parked and then get back up to the hotel room to go out for dinner. But anyway, so this is where I parked last night at the MGM Grand in the parkade. They actually have some motorcycle parking here, which is excellent. So those two road clouds were there last night as well. Looks like there may be also rentals. And then we also had an Indian joined the group here, Scout. So today, what are we doing today? Today we're going to go through the Valley of Fire. We're going to go to Hoover Dam, and then I'm going to work my way down to Lake Havasu City. It's going to be a great ride, so let's get going. Valley of Fire National Park. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just at the visitor center here. Check it out. And then we'll take a ride through the park. See what we can find. Unfortunately, there's no drones allowed in the park, so can't take any drone shots, which would be awesome. Oh well. So this is the Silica Dome, they call it. Ways out there. The whole hill is made completely of silica. And what's interesting here is you get the two different colors of the rock. You got the beige and the red, and there's one over there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's one over there, it's kind of half-half. Right there. Pretty neat. Notice the bike's looking extra good today in the sun. Not sure what they call this color. Kind of like a greenish tinge. I'm not sure. But it's running good, looking good. Everything we want. called the White Domes, and I have been here before. 5 years ago. Also rented a bike, came up here. Beautiful spot. I actually have a picture of me right around there. Catherine took that picture. Haha. Yeah, lots of people hiking. Man, oh man, I guess this is the time of year to go hiking, right? It's not hot. So we got, it's 1st of March today. And yeah, everybody's out hiking. Beautiful weather. I would love to go, but gotta keep moving.
No more pain, no more worries. I got no more time for loving you.
So just for the record, I'm now out of the park and I can officially fly my drone because I am out of the park. Let's have a look what's up there. I don't know if my other camera was recording when I came across that checkpoint there. That was pretty funny, just two dudes standing there and one guy always asks me, any weapons? Nope. And he goes, okay, you're good to go. Hilarious. So when you cross the bridge here, you're also going from Nevada into Arizona, and there's a time change as well. 1 hour.
Yeah, it's flying.
There's the money shot. Beautiful. And that water is on its way to Lake Havasu, where I'm going next. That's the Colorado River. And they also dam it down at Lake Havasu City. Just like that, I'm in Arizona. All right, let's go to the other side here. And yeah, that's low. I'm trying to think how low it was when I was here last in 2017. I want to say it's lower, but I'm thinking obviously the white, top of the white is the highest it ever was, and that's got to be, man, 100 feet. Low. Oh, you can see fish down there. Right there. Big carp or something. Perfect temperature today. I'm not sure what it is. Well, I guess I could check real quick here, but I want to say it's about 23, 24 Celsius. Let's have a look. Oh, what a guess. 24. Ah, perfect. Perfect riding temperature. Just like that, we're back in Nevada. There you go. I don't know if you can read that, but it says Nevada time. The one on the other side said Arizona time. So it says Nevada time. Okay, well, there you have it. Hoover Dam. Never seen it. It's worth the trip down here. It's worthwhile checking out. Okay, made it to Kingman, Arizona. Time for a cup of coffee at your handy dandy Starbucks. About an hour to go here to Lake Havasu, so I figure I'd make one more stop, have a cup of Joe, and carry on. So as I was having my coffee, I was talking to Randy, and he said there is a Harley dealership in town here, so I just stopped in. Nice store. Other brands as well, Yamaha, Polaris, Honda, and yeah, picked up my handy dandy poker chip. These are a hell of a lot cheaper than t-shirts that I used to buy. These are $3.50, t-shirts are $35. So, yep, getting my collection up there. Anyway, I am now off to Lake Havasu City. Should be there in about an hour. Let's go. Okay, I made it to Lake Havasu to what do you call this place? Chateau James. Got Randy James, his house. This is where I'm gonna be staying for the next couple of nights. Beautiful spot. Sun's just going down over there. And that is a wrap for the day. So tomorrow, where are we going tomorrow, Randy? We're
We're
going
going down to Portside and we're going to Oakman.
Courtside and Oatman. So it could be another good day of riding tomorrow. And we'll catch you on that one.